Hey folks, welcome back to ENN Coins and Cards, Eagles Nest Numismatics here in beautiful Toledo, Ohio. Now we have part two of our old green holder, PCGS buy. We're going to show you. If you watched the first video, hit us up with a comment on which one was your favorite from the first video. I know the front runners are the CCs, but here is the next. Mostly dollars again, but we did get some other denominations here that we will get to. So we left off in the first video with 1883 Carson Cities. Here's one in an MS64, an exquisitely smooth coin. Just a real beauty here. Carson City, again, was a very desirable mint. Here's one in an 1884 in MS63. It's got some neat toning to it. Just a real pretty coin. A very nice cartwheel luster. An 84 Carson City in MS64. Another 84 Carson City in MS64. These old green holder coins, there was a lot of perception that the coins were undergraded, and so they will bring, if you crack them out, you have a very good shot at getting an upgrade on the coin. Another 84 CC. Here's an 85 in MS64. Now, if there's no mint mark on the coin, there's the mint mark of the CC between the D and the O and the word dollar. If there's no mint mark on the coin between the D and the O and the word dollar, that means it was made in Philadelphia. Philadelphia, being the first main mint, did not put a mint mark on their coins, and the branch mints used a mint mark to denote that where the coin was made. Here's an 1885 in MS65. An 1886 in MS63. That is a beauty for a 63. Lots of pop, lots of flash. Another 86. This one is a 64. And an 87 in MS63. These early generation green holders are very desirable amongst collectors. And another 87 here in MS63. '89 in MS65. There's the O mint mark down there. So this one's a 98.0. And here's one from 1899, which is New Orleans, in MS-64. And a 1904 O in MS-63. 1904 was the end of the first run of Morgan dollars. From 1904 up, that was the last coin in 04. In 1905 through 1920, they made no silver dollars for no Morgan dollars, and then they resumed in 1921 with the Morgan design, and then switched to the peace dollar design, which we have a peace dollar right here. This is a 1922 peace dollar in MS-63. Now, we've run through the dollars, but here are some very nice Old Green Holder Buffalo nickels. Here's a 1927, very nice example in Mint State 64. Called Buffalo nickels because of the bison on the back. Here's a 1930 in MS-64. This is an exquisite coin. It's got great patina or skin on the coin, giving it just that really nice, rich, creamy look. A 1936 Buffalo in MS-65. A 1936D Buffalo in MS-64. And a 1937S Buffalo in Mint State 65. So this was part 2 of our Old Green Holder purchase that we made. So there were 40 coins here, plus we found 2 bonus coins that weren't in the boxes out of this purchase. A 1947 Denver Walking Liberty half in Mint State 65, and a 1953 Franklin half dollar in Mint State 64. Those 2 did not fit in the first 40 that we purchased. Here's the reverse on the walker. Oops. And here's the reverse on the Franklin. So all in all, it was a really neat haul of early Old Green Holder PCGS coins. Hopefully you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please hit the like and subscribe. This is part 2 of our old green holder video. Part 1 has a lot of Morgan dollars in it. There's 20 of them in there that we revealed in our first video. Please let us know which ones were your favorites. Hit the like and subscribe button and you'll get notifications on when our next videos come out. Hopefully there was some good information in here that will help you. If you're at shows and you see the old green holders, it's nice to buy the old green holders, but make sure you're buying the coin, not just the plastic. We encourage questions. We encourage comments. If you have anything you need to know, we'll try and help you. If you hit down in the comment section below, please hit the like and subscribe button to get further notifications. And we really appreciate you stopping by. We hope you really enjoyed these videos. Thank you.